I'm sorry, guys.
Growing up an Knicks fan as you have.
Look, I'm gonna show y'all right now.
In this terrific building.
Yo, give me a. I want to play on the phone. I want to play on the
Play no.
Floater
It's on the
in the lane.
controller.
Willis
Right there, he's
Reed
playing.
coming
But
out of
I can
the
show you the
tunnel
game
to
right
play
now.
in
Wait.
Game 7, or of course, Patrick
Right there,
Ewing
look at the
leading
game, guys.
Knicks to
I'm
the
not
NBA
lying. I would never lie like that.
94.
Here's Ntilikina.
And they're on fake
After the
YouTube.
basket by Dragan
Go
Bender.
get the videos on YouTube.
Booker outside. Chandler down low. Guarded by Hardaway. Now here's Bender. Defense right on him. Pocket 6. Oh, and here comes Porzingis all alone. And the dunk by Porzingis.
Well, Kevin, that's about length. It's about awareness. It's about anticipation. Porzingis able to kickstart the break.
And first time out of the game called for Phoenix. Fresh from a win against the Nuggets.
You know, sometimes you're going to win because of your performance, and on occasions, which was the case for them, it's the play of your opponent that allows you to escape with wins.
Well, there's no doubt. The offense looked scattered. Tons of turnovers. Some of them forced, certainly, but many were not. It was made easy to defend.
And a whole new group out on the floor right now for the Knicks. Glenn, a screen. And it's Chris in the corner. Phoenix, no good that time either.
A blown opportunity after the two-man game creates a terrific look.
Well, he simply misfired. You've got to capitalize when the screen opens up wide-open shots like that.
Here is Daniels. He averages a bit over 6 points a game.
Rare you'll see him miss such an open look.
Think back to how Jeff Hornacek was as a player. Doris, you see that same demeanor on the sideline.
Well, what you're talking about there, Kev, is sort of that gritty, no-nonsense, tough-minded approach. What Jeff Hornacek was as a player, he certainly displays similar attributes as a coach.
There's the feed to Mudia. Hits the three-point bomb.
Oh, a good open look, and he sprays it home from 3.
Suns trail by 8. They could use a big shot here to get this offense going.
Too many empty possessions. Right now, they need the basket.
On the wing, Daniels. For the 3. No good on that one. And New York the other way now. Oh, Quinn, the pass to Mudia. A chance to extend the lead to double digits, but it's no good. Jackson kicks to Ulis. Dishes to Land. Here's Chris. And poor shot selection there. Not a high percentage look for him. From 12 feet out. Here's O'Quinn. Glenn grabs the board.
I'm a fan of anybody who defends that way. I mean, they weren't about to open the door and just allow him to cruise in for a layup. I tell you what, you gotta love his focus there. Jackson really terrific at just muscling through the contact. Takes a lot of pride in his ability to take the hit and still finish.
And so it's New York with their lead standing at 6 points here at the end of the quarter. And it's been their rugged defense setting the tone. We'll get right back to the action when we return.
I might just go easy, right? No easy?
No.
And Tyson Chandler, known for being a great teammate, a very vocal leader certainly, he talked about how important that is for an NBA locker room.
Players do the policing. Coach sets the standard.
Don't you need a player like this of Chandler's caliber and character, Greg, to make that kind of a team work? Have that feel in the locker room, that leadership role that everybody believes in and respects?
No doubt about it, Kevin. And that weighty stature is built on experience and credentials, as you mentioned, like having that championship ring or being an all-star. But when you have it and use it that way, the coach doesn't have to worry about the locker room, because Chandler has got that covered.
Now the second quarter getting ready to start up. And looking at what we've seen from the Knicks so far, what do you guys think?
And through that first period, for me, their work on the glass has been the difference.
Well, they are pounding away on the backboards. Every time that ball goes up, they are ready to go after it.
On the court right now, second quarter starting for the Suns. Jackson and Chris, the athletic pair in the forward slots. Then it's Ulis, then there's Len, and it's Daniels in at the 2 guard. Williams, he's checked in for Chris. Now here's Moutier. He had a 21-point outing in their last game against Indiana. Trains it from beyond the arc. Lee's got the first points up on the board here in the second quarter for the Knicks. And we've got an update here, so let's check in with David Aldridge reporting from the sideline.
Well, guys, Emmanuel Moutier spent a year in China prior to the NBA rather than playing in college. A lot of people respect what he did while he was over there. He said, being in a foreign country, everything is different. It made me mentally strong. Now in the NBA, he said, you've got to have confidence because every point guard in this league can play. You got to keep that edge and be prepared at all times. Kevin?
Thanks, David. Mental fortitude is critical, especially when you're a young player in this league. Timeout called the Suns. In addition to going over the game plan and making whatever necessary adjustments have to be made, Greg, this timeout also the time for players to get rehydrated or hydrate for the first time with some Gatorade. Plenty of basketball still to be played here, and they have to get recharged.
That's a great point. Without proper hydration, a player can completely run out of gas down the stretch of a game. And that's something that none of these guys can afford to have happen. If you're going to battle all the way to the finish, you have got to be hydrated.
Some changes for Phoenix. Bender, he's checked in for Len. Warren comes in for Jackson. And it's Peyton in for Ulis. The Knicks leading by 11. Of course, you've been a color analyst for both men's basketball and women's basketball. Stylistically, what's the difference, in your opinion, between the two, if anything?
Well, I think there are a number of differences. The primary one being athleticism is slowly starting to take shape and more dictate the outcome of success in women's basketball. Whereas athleticism has always been a part of dictating the outcome of games. The above-the-rim aspect of the NBA versus, for the most part, the below-the-rim aspect of the WNBA. That would be the primary difference for me.
But the fundamentals, too, sometimes stand out. The women's game, I think, really, you can see fundamentals so strongly.
You can, Kevin, and I think what helped the women's game tremendously was, especially in the WNBA, you had NBA coaches transition to roles in the WNBA, the Bill Lambiers, the Mike Tebow, so they taught that group how to be pros, how to win on that level.
Excellent point.
It's 2022.
Second quarter of play with almost 3 minutes gone. Peyton kicks to Booker, and Courtney Lee gets the whistle. That's his first foul. Doors for you in evaluating how good a player was over his career. You can look at analytics, statistics, whatever avenue you want to take. How important are the rings, the championships in that equation for you?
You know, I know there is some conversation that's saying if you don't have a ring, your career wasn't
In your mouth,
Whoa, that's so foul, man.
What are you doing? Felix, go up in the paint. Go. Please don't shoot the three. Go up. Maldito. Oh my God. I'm literally seeing you from the phone. Boy, jumping for nothing. Oh my gosh. When you get to 30, pass it to me.
I just started.
No, I said 30.
40? Okay.
30. I said 30. 30.
What's up? You think I'm playing this time, so?
Look, pass the ball. Pass.
Well, you said pass the ball and throw the ball.
Pass to. Oh my God.
Yes. Saeed.
Pass it to Porzingis. Pass it to number 6.
That was the ball too, but it's dude not paying attention with his hard head is stupid.
I said pass it to number 6.
I pressed the number to pass it to 6, though.
What? Sitting there, the number one spot in the conference. The excellent brand of basketball that I'm putting on display. And check out Phoenix, just way behind.
And right now,
Wow, racist. Racist.
What?
People who said they hadn't done enough in the offseason.
Oh, that's a. Oh!
What are y'all doing? Stop shooting threes.
So this dude's not a three-person.
That one's in.
He's a layup person. Hurry up, bro.
He's not. He's a inside the paint person. It's not layup.
Go.
Dunk.
I mean layup. 24, 18. Boy. Number one. Oh, yo, that's gay. That's gay.
What?
I need to show you the video.
Pass. Dang it, he was wide open. Shoot it.
That's a foul.
Yeah, foul.
Nasty.
Please, no. Let me shoot the free throw.
Probably a little draft in the arena. He's the last guy you expect to miss the
Bro,
mark.
let the Broncos see the point line.
Here's what Phoenix.
I don't care.
Here's his check in for Bender. Jackson
Come on now.
TJ Warren. And it's Troy Daniels in
Haha,
for
you
Phoenix.
can't get fired. Where's the phone at? It's over there. I'm seeing the phone. Alright.
Euless gets to Daniels.
Come on now, you faggot. What you doing?
It's Chris in the corner.
No. That's not a leg, because you're racist. Mama's here. Huh?
Porzingis with the ball. Now guarded by Euless. Here's Burke. Again, it's the Knicks missing. Suns trail by 7.
Here, go back
7
here.
second difference. Here's Cantor. Looking for his first basket still in this one.
Well, you see the struggles he's having getting anything to go.
Yeah, I mean, he's obviously cold right now, but he's trying to find that.
You guys ready? I'm going to my
New York takes possession.
Well, that's an example of two teammates on a different page. They're both looking at each other like, hey,
What you doing, Phoenix? Phoenix, you want to play Fortnite? Huh?
I never looked at the time.
Do you want to play Fortnite after that game?
Yes.
Ballin'.
Johnson here. After the first 2 quarters, they've got the 7-point lead. And Shaq, what are your thoughts on New York?
Well, what's really shifted the game in their favor has been their rebounding. They got a good edge on the board.
What's up, Phoenix? I'm joining your 2K. I'm joining your 2K, boy. Now you got 2 people watching you, boy. 2 people watching you. 2 people watching you. Ah! I see it on my mom's phone too, guys. Look. Oh, it looks more better on my mom's phone. No joke. My mom got an iPhone 7 Plus. My dad got a Samsung Galaxy 8. No, 8, I think it is. And it kind of looks more better on my mom's phone. Actually, on my dad's phone. But then it lags. At the same time, it lags, guys. Alright. So, peace. Guys, subscribe and like. Hey, bye, guys. So, we're going to play some Fortnite. So, peace out.